Welcome to Device Help Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to setup, troubleshooting, and unboxing. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos. So our today's topic is how to set up TECHFACTURE B400 Wi-Fi extender. If your Wi-Fi router provides wireless internet access for multiple devices like phones, laptops, and smart TV, then this TECHFACTURE extender setup is one of the best. Basically, the TECHFACTURE B400 is a Wi-Fi range extender that increases your router's signal to remove dead zones and improve internet coverage in your home or office. So without wasting any time, let's start the setup process. First of all, insert the TECHFACTURE B400 extender into a wall power outlet near your main Wi-Fi router. Open Wi-Fi settings on your phone or laptop. Look for network name like TECHFACTURE XD, tap Connect. Internet will not work yet, this is normal. Open Chrome, Safari, or Edge browser. In address bar, type one of these, 192.168.10.1. Press Enter. A login page appears. Username and password are both admin. Some models show setup automatically. Click Login. After login, you may see options like Repeater Mode or Access Point Mode. Choose Repeater Mode. This connects extender to your router Wi-Fi. Click Scan or Search Wi-Fi. List of nearby networks appears. Select your home Wi-Fi name. Example devices help_Wi-Fi. Type your router Wi-Fi password carefully. Click Connect or Apply. Wrong password means extender won't connect. Extender will restart automatically. This takes 1 to 2 minutes. New Wi-Fi name appears like your Wi-Fi_EXT or your Wi-Fi_2.4G_EXT. Now connect to this network. After setup, unplug extender. Move halfway between router and weak signal room. Now setup is complete. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry. Contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for the more updates.